Hey everyone, it's Jess from ColDesi, and today I want to talk about the top 5 most popular custom gifts of this year and how you can make them yourself. So let's get started. One of the most popular custom gifts are engagement mugs. To make these, we used the Digital Heat FX system, easy peel hard surface paper, and a mug press. The wedding market is always lucrative. If anyone has a future bride in their life, these Future Mrs. mugs are a great gift for bridal showers, birthdays, and much more. Our second most popular custom gift are Monogram coasters. We made these using the GraphTech cutting plotter and our Triton heat transfer vinyl. Our GraphTech cutting plotter CE7000 offers a larger and longer cutting field than any Cricut or hobby cutters, and it's much quicker. Now, heat transfer vinyl is going to be the most durable and longest lasting way to customize coasters. Our Triton heat transfer vinyl that we're using is a premium brand of vinyl that weeds easily, has great adhesion, and has a soft feel. The best part about offering Monogram coasters is that it gives you the opportunity to sell them in sets, which puts more money into your pocket. Another popular custom gift are embroidered wallets. To do this, you'll need an embroidery grip like we have here. You'll simply load your wallet in using the clamps on the side to secure it into place, and you'll sew out your design. The best thing about embroidered wallets is the thread cost is a fraction of a penny, and you can sell each of these wallets for about 40 to 50 bucks. So our fourth most popular custom gift is pet portrait mouse pads. To make these pet portrait mouse pads, we use our Sawgrass sublimation printer. Now, sublimation is a super easy process. You'll just print your photo onto a transfer and you'll apply it to your blank mouse pad using a heat press, and then you're done. One of my favorite custom gifts is photograph phone cases like we have here. Now, I've seen a lot of people do this recently where they'll stick a photo into a clear phone case. It's cheap looking, it's not very good quality, and it's not durable. We have a much better option, and it's UV printing. These come out clear, crisp, and they're also very durable. Now, the best part about UV printing is that the ink cost to print this full color graphic was about 4 cents using our Compress 600. And these usually retail for about 20 bucks. So to get started making any one of these custom gifts we talked about today, you can visit ColDesi.com and live chat with one of our pros. Thanks for watching.